guys. Hi.
You go.
Guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're at Irvine Beach and there's a humpback whale. Fatty. And yes, this is the feet in the sand.
Show mine.
Yes. He's giving body goals, and then there's then there's Sophia as well.
Here's Ren.
So the plan was actually to start vlogging earlier today, but I forgot, Murray forgot, Sarah forgot, Chloe Perry remembered, but she just didn't say anything. Ooh la la. Ooh, wow. I got some music on. Where's the speaker? I might just shit. Please, oh my god. Chloe, tell us what's going on. Basically, these like aura people, like, you can literally feel their aura. Like 90 horses have just turned up. No joke, those guys.
Murray's not even one of them.
But no joke, like they're like a fly compared to Murray.
That wasn't the best thing.
The horses are going past. Oh, that was so scary.
Mate, you just kicked. Stop! I'm not your friend.
Hey guys, the time is 3:13. I'm at the beach. So I was asleep and then someone said Sophia and I woke up and the horses were like at us.
Yeah, they actually did trample us.
Hello, it's me. My outfit of the day. Shane, Primark, Holly's Crocs. I do have bikini bottoms on, but they're a bit too scandalous for Irvine Beach.
I'm worried that you've done it.
Her aura.
That's a shame.
Like a Barbie. Pretty big. Oh my god.
What the hell?
Why is she doing it?
Guys, this is ridiculous.
I'm coming. So me and Chloe still have our shorts on and we're quite far in the water. This is the water. It's quite clear, it's like Zante water, but not as blue. It's a bit more brown, I'd say. The plan for, oh fucking hell. I think the plan for later is we're going to get pizzas on the beach. Don't know where we're from, but Holly's been going on about pizzas all day. So yeah.
Huh?
Rate the sea out of 10.
Like a solid 7.5.
Out of 10.
Holly, there is tiny fish.
Like a solid 9. I like this.
See where my fingers play.
How cute does Rennie look?
Quite cold now that the sun's kind of...
She's freezing. Guys, that was really good content. If you see dry skin on the towel, it's probably for my feet. I was picking it up. We're playing Uno, but with a bunch of weird random rules. The Hartlepool rule. Uno. Blue. I won. Dave and Chloe came next.
Oh.
Murray's partly digging a hole in the sand, so when Holly comes back, she's gonna fall in the hole. More. No, there's a bee. No, you need to move all that sand away. We're making money. We literally are. We've just been to about 4 million different places that have all been shut. And now we're here. I'm a little bit nervy. This is where we are. This is what we've got. And there's the guy making it.
A whole pizza, a pakora, a garlic bread, chips,
We look like such fatties.
2 cans of juice, please. That's just for Murray. This whole thing times 4 million is what Murray eats for one snack. There's all our food, guys. We got 2 bags. And another bag and 2 pizzas. I don't know if Holly will want this in the vlog, but she just caused the crash. Here she is. Holly, smile for the vlog.
But basically I pulled out in a roundabout a little bit. But I stopped and then
They'll just have seen it.
the bus hit the back of a woman's car. Yeah.
They'll just have seen it, the viewers.
We're going to eat our food. Bye. This is our food. What the freaking freak. There's a bunch of seagulls.
You're coming at all
Have you got any of the food?
No, I did get some of it. We got pizza, chips, dip. I got the randomest. I was like, oh, what drinks do you have? Because you get 2 drinks with each, because it's two people deals. And
So guys, we got 4 portions worth of food for 5 people, so.
Yeah! Shut your box
No, you're
over! Shut the
standing
box over!
oh my god. Those legs
Full stop.
look very simple in between them all. I put my oil on. What?
There was still a hole.
You shouldn't laugh at me.
Only one cheek went.
Oh, I need to do it again.
It's only big enough for one cheek.
Hey guys, look how pretty the sky is.
I'm really scared of seagulls.
Took that box and just
Look at the army.
they're defending us.
They're actually surrounding us.
Sophia!
Why just food on the floor?
Leaving the beach. Pray for my journey home.
You just
I would
left the
not
boot
be
on,
surprised if
actually.
Holly started driving with the boot open.
You mind?
We'd get on the motorway and there'd be people beeping at us, like, why are they beeping? We'd turn around.
What's going on, guys?
Why is that?
Yeah.
Oh. Work cool that is split up. Got a spot there.
We just got back. My little oil levels came up as well, so I need to fill that up in case Richard dies. Successful day for you? So we're at Tesco. Murray and Chloe are going into Tesco to get drink. Bitches, please. To get a drink and fire starters for our fire. You show your stick.
I'm not lazy. I'm on
See my stick.
Is in Texas right now, and this is Holly's land. That's the Eiffel Tower. Yeah, that's the Eiffel Tower we see.
The Eiffel Tower.
Les bonjours, les Eiffel Tower.
Oui, oui.
Les Tower, the Eiffel.
Oh, she keep going.
This is not really funny.
Things you should know before.
Nope. Randall, there's my cow outside. It's a cow for. You're gonna have cows outside.
Imitate.
You're gonna have cows outside. Sure. Alabama core. Have my daddy's wheat. Homemade in my farm. Going now to feed the cow Murray.
At the stable? He doesn't fit in a stable. No more.
Yeah.
He don't fit in no stable no more.
We have to redo it.
Where did it go? Here.
Oh my god, it's a huge one.
You're quite cute, you know, man.
I thought you had a video. He's crawling so
I love him.
as to be
I'll take you
inconspicuous.
home.
Oh, you shouldn't.
Mm-hmm. Don't slander my hoe.
Oh.
Don't slander my hoe.
Hey guys, I accidentally killed a spider on my arm.
I did more than any of you, so.
This is the quality
Little baby was not bad.
of our fire. Two girls, glove, walk into a deep, dark woods in the middle of the night. Does that not sound like the start of a horror movie? The guys still haven't got here. Potato. There's a what? Oh, there's our fire. Looks like a lantern. Again, guys, I had the music. We don't sit in silence. The guys still haven't got here. Give an update. No. Connor's here. The guys are here. Well, Aiden added wood to the fire, so it looks good. But
Excuse me, who added wood to the fire?
Connor added wood to the fire.
I'm gonna go.
Oh yeah, fire. Let me suffocate the. You fucking do.
I was the one that got
Then and mine.
Oh. Why'd you sound like that?
That I was dreaming when you said you love me.
Basically, this
Hey guys,
fire was so fail.
we're leaving.
I started it, and then they tried to take credit for my fire, and I'm just thinking, like, it's so bad.
You just had a creep on your shoulder.
What?
You just had a creep on your shoulder. Get your stupid car keys out of here.
Get away.
Now it's time to go
Sarah brought
home.
her car keys, but guess where her car is? Not even here. It's in the driveway of her house.
It's just in case.
Time to go home.
That's her self-defense weapon.
You just said there was a spider on there.
Oh, I walked into a ledge. We're walking back now. The stars are really pretty, but you can't really see them. I tried to take a photo on Mary's phone, but it wasn't very good. And I thought this guy was just like this random, tall, scary guy was just walking really fast towards me. So I started running. Imagine that running towards you.
Oh my god.
Kill the boy.
It's in
Fucking hell. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
I was like, you know, like angle where you like film yourself through the thing. No, I just don't want to be filmed. Enjoy.
Sophia, give your input, please.
I was gonna come up with some
I was gonna cut to the fire, but then once Holly dropped me off, once Holly the car,
Go get your crock back up. Go get your crock.
and I thought I was going to pass out. So I didn't go to the fire. So yeah. Wait for me!
the crock in a car.
Ethan has my phone.
It's okay, they stop.
Why is it making that noise?
Oh yeah.